Good day, everyone. I have an Amazon review today. It is for the Feiyutech extension pole for the Feiyutech G6 Plus gimbal. I'm sure it fits some of the other, probably the G6Max and stuff as well, and some other gimbals that have the 1/4-inch thread. I think it's the 1/4-inch thread down below. I have this, and I also got the little tripod bottom for it too, also from Feiyutech. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I got this on Amazon for $19, the extension pole, and then the tripod feet here. I think that was like, I'm not certain. I think it was about $13 to $15. I'll pop the price up here. So approximately just under like about $30 to $32 altogether for the whole thing. First off, nice rubber handle, nice grippy rubber handle, basically exactly the same as the gimbal has on it, which I will be popping out here very shortly because I will be showing it extended with a camera on it. Give it a twist up here. Got your little indicator of the lock position. Give it a twist. Mind you, the first time I did this thing is a little bit janky, as in the ribbing likes to get caught into itself. Yeah, I got the little ribbing here, and you can see that it has another little ribbing that's a plastic part there. So that's how it locks. So if you twist too much, like I did the first time, because you have to give it a little twist, or that way, give it a little twist, and then it kind of locks it in. And you can see that this rib and passes this one to the side, and I went a little too far, and then the one pole wouldn't come back down. Give it a twist, tight, not too tight, and then you just twist that again until they're all loose, and back down and twist. So I will be right back with showing you my camera, which is actually the one I'm using right here. And then I'll pop that off and put this on, and I'll show you it extended with a camera on it. This is, by the way, my first gimbal right here. So I'm still learning it and everything, so just bear with me on this video. Okay, now I have the extension pole onto my gimbal. I am using the Sony a6000. So you may have to make sure this here is twisted on really good, because you have to twist this the opposite way. They should have made it totally the opposite. Tighten it. Well, they should have made it, you loosen the same way you tighten this onto your gimbal, instead of the opposite way of loosening this, same as loosening that, which then loosens both. So you have to make sure it's on there nicely. I think, oh, one more. So you got 4 extensions on your pole. And like, honestly, well, this is my first one, so I can't really compare it to anything else. But holding it right down at the end like this, you can feel it move just a little bit in there, which I'm not too sure about. But I'm not going to be doing too much with it out like this, as I'm only doing basic YouTube reviews and whatnot. So having it down quite a bit further is okay for me. See, like, that's where I mean. I go to loosen these so I can put the pole back in, and it starts to unscrew right from the gimbal itself, which not so great, because if you do get one misaligned, like I did right there, then it's super hard to be able to get that one piece of the telescopic untightened, because at the same time you're trying to untighten that is when this starts to unscrew off your gimbal. So not the best design in that respect, but it is okay. I don't have loads to say about it, really. It feels good. It feels fairly sturdy. The telescopic part here This here, unfortunately, is plastic, which is going to be your main wear point. And I don't feel the greatest having my main wear point on the telescopic part, as that's, if you're holding it out and that happens to give, your gear's going down. So personally, I think I'll only be using it like at max 3 out, because that fourth one is just a little bit too skinny for my life. So other than that though, I like it so far. Decently robust. The telescopic part could have been done a little bit better with some different bushings on it instead of plastic ones, because that's going to be your main fail point. But I'm sure if you treat your gear decently, it should last you for a fair amount of time. Fits easy in the pocket, in the bag, or what have you, whatever you're going to put your gear in. Tripod end's nice and light. Yet again, wish it was made out of something a little bit different than plastic. You get what you pay for, so no big deal. Decent construction for $19 anyway. And I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of use out of it for doing my YouTube reviews. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope everybody has a great day and stays safe. See you again in my next video.